Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to close your Robinhood account. To begin, you must first ensure your account balance is completely zero. This means selling all your investments, including any stocks, options, or cryptocurrencies you hold. After selling, you will need to withdraw all the cash from your brokerage account. This crucial first step prepares your account for the final closure process, making sure no assets are left behind. To zero out your balance, start by selling all your investments, whether they are fractional shares or whole shares of stock. Once your sales are complete and settled, transfer any remaining cash balance to your linked external bank account. Remember, these transactions, especially withdrawals, can take a few business days to fully process and settle. Patience is key during this stage to ensure all funds are successfully moved out of your Robinhood account. Before moving forward, it is essential to clear any pending activities within your account. Double-check for any outstanding deposits, withdrawals, or transfers that might still be processing. Also, make sure to cancel any recurring investments or dividend reinvestment plans you may have set up. All recent trades must fully settle, which typically takes 2 business days, ensuring your account is completely dormant and ready for closure. Once your Robinhood account balance is completely zero and all activities have settled, the final step is to contact Robinhood customer support. You will need to explicitly request the permanent closure of your brokerage account. They will guide you through any final verification steps. It is a good practice to confirm the account closure through an email or a follow-up communication to ensure it has been successfully processed and is no longer active.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.